Welcome to the topic Online Learning Platform, Swayam Portal. By the end of this module, you will be able to familiarize with Swayam Portal, courses and its affiliations, and use Swayam Learning Platform to gain new skills. Swayam is an indigenous massive open online courses platform developed by the All India Council for Technical Education in 2016. Swayam, which is Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds, is a program initiated by Ministry of Education, Government of India, and is designed to achieve the three cardinal principles of education policy, namely access, equity, and quality. Swayam facilitates hosting of all the courses taught in classrooms from class 9th till post-graduation to be accessed by anyone, anywhere at any time. Swayam courses are available for the following segments: School education, out of school education, undergraduate education, postgraduate education, non-technical education. To ensure best quality content are produced and delivered, following 9 institutions are appointed as national coordinators who are responsible for producing content. For school education, NIOS and NCERT are coordinators. The next category of out-of-school education is coordinated by IGNOU and NITTTR. Undergraduate education coordinators are NPTEL, CEC, AICTE, and IIMB. The postgraduate education is dealt by NPTEL, IIMB, AICTE, and UGC. Whereas the non-technical education coordinated by INI. Features of Swayam include: you can find free courses from the top and best universities. You can learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. You can earn certifications and recognition from the top universities. You can earn university credits and get them transferred to your degree. Swayam caters to busy lifestyles of learners in a simple way. Limited time access. Archives. Course availability. Limited time access. Students receive full access to lectures, readings, assignments, and discussion forums throughout the current course duration. Archives. Swayam often archives course content after it ends. Course availability. Some courses cannot be stored or made available indefinitely. If a course is offered again in a future cycle, learners can re-enroll to access updated materials, participate in discussions, and take certification exams. Course categories offered by Swayam Portal include design, engineering, health sciences, humanities and arts, management, and sciences. The course mode has two options: self-paced or regular. One which is self-paced at your convenience and the other that it's scheduled and follows a timeline. The course duration ranges from 4 weeks to 24 weeks, aligning with the academic semesters. New courses are announced occasionally, usually throughout academic semesters. Students can enroll in their desired courses throughout this period. Students can access course materials, lectures, and homework. Registration on the Swayam portal is open to all individuals without any specific eligibility requirements. You can enroll on Swayam by doing a Google search with keyword Swayam. Once the results are displayed, click on the website. You can click on Sign In if you already have an account. Register to make a new account. Sign in with Google account. Click on Sign up if you don't have an account. You are prompted to enter the personal information like username, password. Retyping the password to avoid mistakes and for easy remembrance. Also prompts to enter your mail ID. Then click on Send Verification Code. Enter the verification code received. Click on Verify Code. In case you did not receive the code, click on Send New Code. Click on Create to create your account. You have successfully signed in. Click on About Swayam to know more about the Swayam application. Click All Courses to browse more and find the courses of interest and relevance. Apply filters to make your search easy. Select the course category you are looking for. In this example, let's enroll and join a course on corporate social responsibility in management and commerce. Read the summary to know the course timeline and scroll to know the course content. Click on Join button to enroll in the course. Fill in the information to complete the application. Click here to know about Academic Bank of Credits ID. Click No if your educational institute is not a part of local chapter. If you don't have an Academic Bank of Credits ID, click the drop-down and choose I don't have ABC ID. Recheck application and click Save. You have successfully enrolled in the course. You can also appear for the certification exam that will be conducted offline on location chosen by you. Click on icon and fill the information. A nominal fee shall be charged. Course video lectures are free of cost. You only have to pay for certification exam, which is optional. By clicking on drop-down, choose My Courses to see courses you have enrolled for. You can even view your certificates easily. The courses you have enrolled for will appear here. Similarly, you can join more courses of your interest. Thank you.